New way to treat the hiccups. Hello, I'm Dr. Broom. In this video, we will talk about the cause and remedy of hiccup treatment. Hiccups episodes are produced because of the irritation of phrenic nerve that supply the diaphragm. Irritating the nerve lead to rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscle. What is the remedy? Andrew Huberman Neurolab has tested a successful attempt to cure the hiccup with these exercise steps. 1. Take deep breath. 2. Inhale more air inside in addition to the first one. 3. Inhale more air inside without exhaling. 4. Hold your breath for 15 seconds. 5. Exhale slowly. Share and follow goodhealth31.com for complete article.